Hey everybody, this is Martha from Adclick Media coming to you from Austin, Texas. I am in charge of the affiliates at adclickmedia.com, and I'm going to take a few minutes of your time because I think this is something that is really important that's going to help you. Now, listen, when I first started online, okay, I was an affiliate marketer and I fumbled a lot and I just didn't have a grip on things. And I'm sure that you can relate to that, right? Most people can, all right? So what I want to talk to you about right now are 4 assets that you should be working on as an affiliate marketer. And if you're not, you're just wasting your time. So these 4 things are really going to put what you're doing into perspective, okay? So they're really broad topics. You've probably heard them before. You can go and watch other videos and read books on it. But these 4 core things, I want to go over it with you right now. Now, the first thing is your content or your messaging, okay? It's actually one and the same. So whether you do it on a blog, a website, podcast, social media, or video, okay, it is really, really important how you construct your body of work, because I'm going to tell you, I know people that worked on their content for a couple of years and it was great and they ended up selling the website for millions of dollars. So you can see how important content is. The next thing that's going to work along with your content is your brand, okay? Your brand is very, very important because it is how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you, whether it be in your communication, your design, how people are perceiving you. Now, the next thing is your connection, okay? These are very important. These are people that you're connecting with online and social media. These are the people that you're surrounding yourself with. So what are these connections? These connections are leverage for you. So it's very, very important. Your skills. Okay, the 4th thing is your skills. Okay, it's your copywriting, your campaign management, the way you design your ads. Overall, just basically communicating with people. Now, all of these skills, if they're done right, these 4 assets, if they're done right, it's going to determine how much attention you get. Now, attention is the mother of all assets, because attention equals money in this economy, the way it is now. So if you are doing these 4 that I just mentioned, content, brand, connections, and skills right, you will get all the attention, that's the right attention that you need, okay? Now, speaking of attention, I want to bring your attention to adclickmedia.com. Like I said, I'm in charge of all the affiliates, and we are launching in about 10 days, and I would love for you to be an affiliate there. So go to adclickmedia.com, get on our pre-launch list, and we'll get you started as soon as we launch. Like I said, that's in 10 days. So listen, if you're watching me from YouTube, you can hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Okay, and every time we do a new video, you'll get notified. If you're on Facebook, give me some love there. And LinkedIn, hey LinkedIn, we have a lot of affiliates on LinkedIn now. So give some love, give some suggestions, whatever. I really appreciate all of you. And listen, thank you for watching and have a great day.